Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust HUD presets and customize HUD in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. To choose an HUD preset and customize HUD in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile, click on Settings icon, then Controls, and now click on Control Set if you want to set a preset. Here are all of the available presets. If you want to set one, click on it, then click on Use. Now it is set. If you want to customize HUD, click on Customize HUD, and here you can drag any button to reposition it wherever you want. You can configure a different HUD for each game mode. And when you're done, click on Done. So you can move it however you want, like that. You can move it to different places. And you can choose it in different game modes. You can adjust the size of each button and the visibility, like that. You can also hide a button. You can move it with these arrows. And when you're done, click on Done. Then click here to go back and click anywhere to exit settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.